Hello everyone, myself Monisha Chare and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I am here to talk to you about one of the most important landmark judgment made by our Supreme Court on the case Satish Rangde versus State of Maharashtra, which is also known as skin to skin contact case. The judgment given in this case by Nagpur judges bench have received so much opposition and people are lashing out at the judiciary system after the Bombay High Court judgment on this case. They interpreted the sexual assault under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offence POSCO Act 2012 to include only skin to skin contact with the sexual intent. So basically, what were the facts of the case Satish Rangde versus State of Maharashtra? On Wednesday of 14 December 2016 at around 11:13 a.m., the 12-year-old went off her home to buy fruits. When she did not come back home for a long time, her mother began looking for her, and at that moment, neighbor told her that the person named as Satish had taken her daughter to his house. So she went to his house looking for her daughter. When she asked him about her, he said he did not know where she is. But while peeping inside the house, she saw her daughter in one room. So, in her complaint, the victim mother said that she saw her daughter crying and she told her that Satish had brought her to his house on pretext of giving her a fruit. The victim said that Satish had pressed her breast and tried to remove her knicker, which is when she shouted. So, after this situation, the mother took her daughter immediately to the police station to lodge FIR. In February 2020, Child Court found Satish guilty under Section 354 of Indian Penal Code, which is outrage modesty of women, section 363, which is kidnapping, and 342, which is wrongful confinement, along with the section 7 and 8 of POSCO Act 2012, which talk about the protection of children from sexual offense. Satish was sentenced to rigorous imprisonment of 3 years along with the fine of 500. Accused was not at all satisfied with it and he filed the appeal in Bombay High Court as in front of Justice Puspa Ganediwala, and the question in consideration was in this court whether the pressing of breast and attempt to remove salwar would fall within the definition of sexual assault defined in section 7 and punishable under section 8 of the POSCO Act. According to the POSCO Act, any act with sexual intent which involves physical contact without penetration is said to be sexual assault. So, High Court held that whatever groping or act happened with clothes, it did not happen directly skin to skin contact. In its verdict, the High Court had said that since the man groped the child without removing her clothes, the offense cannot be termed as sexual assault, but it does not constitute the offense of outraging a woman's modesty under section 354 of the Indian Penal Code. And looking at this, he was only punished with 1 year rigorous imprisonment with 500 rupees fine was given. After this judgment, people lashes out at the High Court and judicial system. So National Commission for Women challenged this verdict of High Court in the Supreme Court of India. The apex court had on January 27 stayed the High Court's verdict after Attorney General K.K. Venugopal mentioned the matter before it and said that the judgment was unprecedented and was likely to set a dangerous precedent, and Supreme Court have to put stay in this verdict. So we can conclude that this case is still going on and so this type of narrow interpretation done by our justice system is dangerous to law and to citizens too. There should be always be a new way to amend and modify the definition in order to give justice to the victim. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood this judgment. For more such information and topics, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do press like, share, and comment. Thank you.